call that coffee? Go back to the kitchen and make me a fresh brewed cup. This time with cream.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and, Trooper, take exactly 15 minutes to do that before you return.
Okay.
And he's gone.
Hi. Yeah, what is it?
What are you doing here?
I heard you call my name. You know, Koo-pa. You did say Koo-pa, right? What? You accidentally called me again? Are you serious?
I guess so.
Oh, come on! This is the 6th time you've called me by mistake! I mean, I can't believe you managed to do it again. I mean, for real. Seriously. Do you know what? I'm sick of it. Just sick of it. I'm done with this. Just done. Whatever keeps making you call me, just stop it, okay? Just stop it!
But I keep calling you because of my breathing.
Then stop breathing! See? There's the peace and quiet I've been looking for. Keep that up and soon everyone will like you better, because I know since the other troopers on the ship said your breathing was creepy. Well, maybe it's supposed to be like that to frighten the rebels and make the troopers stay in line. But anyway, I'm so happy you're done breathing, because if you breathe any longer, I was going to freak out. Not like a freak or anything, but you know what I mean. So anyway, as a... Darth Vader? Lord Vader? Hello? Sith Vader? Ooh. Oops. Ha ha! You failed! Hey, Lord Vader! I heard some really annoying breathing from you, and then a really annoying voice that wouldn't stop talking, so I... Oh.